welcome back to my channel and welcome to another smoothie bowl tutorial. Today we're going to be making a bright blue smoothie bowl. This is perfect for the 4th of July, which is just right around the corner. Got my strawberries and coconut, all my red, white, and blue inspiration. If you're new to this channel or you're new to making smoothie bowls and you're looking for some tips maybe on how to get your smoothie bowls thicker or how to make a smoothie bowl using your specific type of blender, check out my channel. I've got tons of playlists on here that show you how to use different kinds of blenders and tips and tricks on how to get that thick smoothie bowl. Before we get started, if you're excited about this video and you love smoothie bowls, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the best family ever. Let's get into it. All right, we're gonna start off with about a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You can use any kind of milk. If you have regular milk, almond milk, any kind of liquid will work for this. I'm just using coconut milk because that's what I have in my fridge. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that one of the tricks to getting a thick smoothie bowl is to use as little liquid as possible. So I always recommend starting with about a 1/4 cup because you can always add more liquid, but you can't take it away. So start with just a little bit, and then if your blender needs a little bit more, you can go ahead and add more. Next, we're gonna add 2 frozen bananas. If you don't like bananas, don't fret. Something you can do as a substitute is get canned coconut cream, put it into an ice cube tray and freeze it. That'll give you frozen coconut cubes and it's a really good substitute for bananas. The last frozen ingredient we're going to add is about 1/2 cup of frozen rice cauliflower. I really just do this to add more volume and thickness without adding extra sugar. Now this next part is optional, but I always add a scoop of protein powder to my smoothie bowls to make it a more well-rounded meal so that it's not just a bunch of fruit and sugar. I love this 310 protein powder. I've been using it for several years in my smoothie bowls and just as shakes, and it's super yummy. It's vegan, a really clean product, and it doesn't upset my stomach. But if you don't like protein powder, you can totally skip that step. All right, and for our final magic ingredient, we have blue spirulina powder. This is a plant-based superfood powder. You can find it at most grocery stores. If you don't have it at your grocery store, you can find it on Amazon. I'm going to link my smoothie bowl starter kit in the description box below, where I've linked some of my favorite smoothie ingredients, blenders, all kinds of things, including this blue spirulina. This blue spirulina is from the Reserve. I've actually never used it before, so I'm excited to see what it's like. I have tried a couple different brands of blue spirulina in the past, and some of them don't really give you that bright blue color, so woo! So we'll see how this one does. It's very strong, so you only need a little bit. I think we're gonna start with about 1 teaspoon, and then if we need more, we'll add it. Really, this is just for color, but you don't wanna add too much because it's super strong. One of the cool things about blue spirulina is not only does it give your smoothie bowls a bright blue color, but it also can help with memory and gut health, and it's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient. We love all of those things. Ooh, my fingers are turning blue. Okay, this puppy is ready to blend. Woo! Wow, if that does not scream America, I don't know what does. I am impressed, y'all. That color, that blue spirulina really did it. Can you see? It looks so cute. I don't want to eat it. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this is so good. It's so summery and fruity. Okay, I'm definitely going to be making this all summer long. Wow, okay, you've got to try this recipe. I'll have it linked down in the description box below, as well as a link to that blue spirulina if you want to try the fun color. I hope that you loved this smoothie bowl tutorial video. If it made you smile, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'm so thankful for you, and I want you to join the family. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.